Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FxPro app. You will click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about FxPro and you will enter in this window here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.